Yo, what's up? This is the last time. This is the last time you'll see me in this car. Wow, it's been real, guys. It's been real. What's up, guys? This is gonna be the final drive with the Subaru WRX. Today's the last day I'm gonna have it. I already sold it, so I just want to do this kind of video. It's gonna be like off the script, just my thoughts of the car throughout the time I had it. I had this car for 4 years now, so it's actually almost its 4th birthday. I bought it June something. I think June 16th, June 17th is when I bought this car, and that is in a few days. So June 12th is right now. So I bought this car about 4 years ago, and I'm just gonna share you guys my experience and kind of how I feel. So if you guys want to just go for this drive and just chill with me, let me tell you the ownership of my Subaru WRX. Yes. So let's get this rolling. So I had this car for a while now, 4 years, and when I first picked it up, I was very excited. I was so refreshed because I had so much more space and power, torque. I was coming from a Honda S2000, which is a great car, and to this day, it's a true, like a really nice true sports car. But I was looking for something bigger. I wanted to move into a different scene, you know, Honda this, Honda that. Honda's great and all, but I just wanted something different. So I stuck with the WRX, and the WRX has such a great community. It's filled with people that just love tinkering with their cars. Like you'll see some non-car guys, but a lot of the Subaru folks, they're so generous and kind, and they're so supportive of what you do. And when I saw such a great community, I wanted to start helping the community as much as I could, and for that I just started modding my car and kind of documenting, helping anybody who was pretty much looking for let's say a front lip or an intake or something, you know, something I can do to help people out. So I started documenting my videos, started doing installs and like that, and the car was super reliable and very fun to drive. But I did have an issue with the car, and it was the head unit. Now the OEM one, I had the one with the push to start, if you can see right here. I had the Harman kardon radio deck head unit, and it was failing on me. It didn't work. A regular OEM head unit not working, and I had to deal with those issues going to the pretty much going to the dealership, like back and forth. They replace the amp, they replace other stuff, and they replaced the head unit, and it worked, and that's great. So the head unit starts working again, but I didn't really like the OEM head unit. It's pretty ugly, so I got rid of it, and I got the Android head unit. But before I got the Android head unit, I had a 2016, like 17, because it looked a lot better, but that didn't really work with the Harman kardon package. So I scrapped that idea, went to a different model, and got the Android head unit, and that's when I kind of thought, like, that's how people know me, like the Android head unit guy, because of the Subaru WRX. So this car will always hold a special part in my heart, you know, just doing random Android head unit installs on a WRX. There's so many, and because of my video, literally the scene blew up. Android head units, it blew up, and I would say I was kind of responsible for a part of that movement. I mean, if you watch like YouTube, there's not a lot of people who do like Android head units like me. There's some like other more tech focused guys and other things, but I was like one of the first who had like a decent quality videos on the head units in my experience. And I'm at the point where I'm an influencer when it comes to that, so What I say definitely affects what people think too when it comes to these head units. PX30 right here, the PX6 and stuff like that. Now I'm like so well taught in these words. So when it boils down to the WRX, let's talk about the things I want to miss. And the reason why I'm mentioning this is because I'm going to miss this head unit the most. Surprisingly enough, the head unit it's just played such a big part in my life. So yeah, it has a lot of power too. Decent power. Now the car I got next is definitely faster, and it's a lot of power. My other car that I just purchased, but this car had great power. It was killing like Mustang. It took on an STI easily. It just pretty much beat everybody with E85. So like I had the looks, I had the looks, my direction I wanted to take it. It had the performance to be anything. All-wheel drive. It had a great community. It had great audio with the head unit and the Harman Kardon things. You know, it had feature comforts like heated seats, leather seats, sunroof, keyless entry. I mean, this car was literally the jack of all trades. It was so good at everything, but a master at none, obviously. So it was such a great car, and this car starts at 25K. I bought the car for 31K. The dealership was asking 35, but I was able to get pretty close to invoice, under invoice in my case. All right, so I only have 1 minute left on the memory card, so I'm gonna just wrap this up real quick. The WRX, if you're looking for a brand new one or a used one, definitely check out this VH chassis. It's great community. The FA motor specifically is like fantastic. Great MPG, great mods. You'll be very happy with your purchase, and you know, I'll still be making videos, guys, on Android head units, and of course the new car, which is the Tesla Model S Performance. But other than that, guys, stay tuned for a lot to come. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, and I really appreciate it. A lot of this stuff would not be possible without you guys, and I appreciate it. See you later. Peace. Were you in third gear? Yeah. Oh, okay. You want, hey, you want to do second gear again? Second gear? You hop. More the same.
Don't play with me.
What's up?
Don't play with me.
What's up? Yo, we're gonna make a video on this guy's car.
Hey, but he's bootsy, bro. He's bootsy.
Is that the real CJ Hunt?
You know,
TJ Hunt.
there's a big ass line for CJ
No,
Hunt.
the real TJ Hunt's over there.
Now I'm about to find him, bro. Oh, he's about to wear the CJ Hunt. Yo, put this on the vlog, bro. Yo, where's Calvin at?
I don't know.
No, he's not out here. He's out in Sacramento.
Yeah, we're out here. We're out in the vlog. You know what I'm saying?
You're at the vlog. What kind of wheels are those?
Rotor grids, bro.
Rotor grids? Okay. As we move in, we've got some rotor grids. What kind of offset is that? Plus 38?
Yeah, plus 38.
It's a good fit size. 18 by 7.5. Yeah, that's some STI wheels right there.
Oh yeah.
Can you tell us more about these carbon fiber?
So those are actually a hydro dip.
Oh, hydro dip.
ABS plastic, bro.
ABS plastic?
Yeah. ABS plastic.
You can get that from Taps Plastics and then just hydro dip it.
Yeah, hydro dip.
What about these mirrors?
Those are motorcycle mirrors.
Motorcycle mirrors, guys. You heard it first. You got motorcycle mirrors.
Mustang headlights.
Mustang headlights, classic. I too also have the Mustang headlights.
Yeah,
Fake Gamer King. Yeah, for the real thing, huh?
Yeah, you know.
You heard it first. What about this bumper?
Oh, that's the
Oh,
converted. I got converted to the
damn, okay.
Look at that.
Yeah, your front lip looking mint.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's about it, bro. The car sucks, man. And I got the bus driver steering wheel.
Bus driver steering wheel? Yeah, you guys, how does that work?
So you ever drove a bus before?
No, I haven't.
Man, it's just like a bus drive. Pretty cool.
It's a lot of.
It allows you to have more camber angles if you have a bus drive next to it.
Well, there you guys have it. Rotor grids, 7.5.
7.5 plus 39.
Plus 39. Got vortex diffuser.
That's an airflow diffuser.
Airflow, my bad. Sorry, airflow diffuser.
Rice pipes.
Rice pipes. Does that mean by NVIDIA?